So for a removable discontinuity, if we take this one and we factor the bottom, this will be x minus 3, x plus 3. We've got 2 points that causes a discontinuity. If I set both of these equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0, and x plus 3 is equal to 0, then I have 2 points that would have discontinuities. Okay, but I can remove one of them. This will cancel out with this one. So the x equal to negative 3 is a removable discontinuity, whereas this one, which is x equal to 3, is a infinite discontinuity because you cannot cancel it out. Same thing with this one. I have a discontinuity at x minus 2 equals 0, so that would be x equal to 2. So that's an infinite discontinuity because I can't cancel it out. Jump discontinuities are mostly piecewise functions. So if the function is x for all values x greater than 5, and then x squared plus 1 for x less than 5, well then at x equal to 5, I don't have a point there. So at that point, it jumps from x to x squared plus 1. So that's a jump discontinuity.